Hello YouTube, some guy over 40 here coming back at you with another video. And today I'm in my computer room slash man cave, and I figured I'd do some testing here. I took the cars off the door rack and I got the Losi DBXL. I got the front end apart a little bit. As you can tell, it's setting kind of funny. You got the front bumper up. For the reason being is I wanted to take that pin that holds the A-arms out, and I got it right here. Alright, got it right here. So what I want to do is I want to write down the measurements of this pin or rod, whatever you want to call it, hinge pin. I want to see how big this actually is, and maybe I can make my own in the future instead of using the stock. So let's go ahead, and since I bought the digital calipers, this is for the main reason why I bought this, so I could do this project. Okay, so now this is my first time of opening this. Like I said in the previous video, I ordered this on eBay. It's brand new. Well, she looks nice. I hope everything works correctly. They had that piece of paper in there, like that. Alright. Feels kind of chintzy on the wheel thingy right here, but they said it's one of the best ones you can buy for the money. So for testing purposes, let's go ahead and turn her on. As you can see, it's on, and it's in millimeters. So when I move it, you can see it's going up. Then when I put it back, it should go right to 0. Just like that. Oh, that's awesome. It knows where 0 is at. So this is great. So what I want to do is I want to measure this. I want to know the diameter of this pin. So we're going to go ahead, open it up, put the pin in, and gently go like that. Oh, let me do this again here. We'll put it right down there, just like this. There we go. It's 6 millimeters. Alright, so we'll put it back to 0. We'll measure it again. Okay, we're going to call it 6 millimeters again. Put it back to 0. Let's test the other side here since we got it out. Yeah, it's the same. We're going to call it 6 millimeters. That's awesome. And now we want to know the length of this. Mind you, this is only a 4-inch caliper, so we're going to go ahead and open her way up there. Hopefully we have enough room here. Ooh, almost. Oh, we're getting close. Oh, we're so close. I didn't think I was going to measure anything this big. There we go. We got it now. I'm going to have to put it down here. And we'll gently close it. Trying to be gentle with this as much as I can. And it is, what does that say? 98.05 millimeters. Okay, So let me get a piece of paper here and write all this down. We got the length of the rod this way, and then we got this right here. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to put arrows here, arrows here. And then we're going to bring this out like this. Bring arrows here and arrows here. Because I was thinking about getting stainless steel, harder steel, or titanium. I'm looking more towards titanium rods. So I wanted to see the exact size here. I don't have to worry about this at the moment. This is kind of hard when it's up there like that. There we go. Okay, oops. Like I said, it's very difficult because it's on the edge. Yeah, there it is, 98.05. So we're going to say 98.05 mm for millimeters. Okay, I measured it twice. Let's go ahead and put this back to 0. Look how nice that is, going right back to 0. That is sweet. If you're wondering about this cord right here, the battery of my GoPro is shot. And I only have time today to do this video and not to charge it. So I'm going to do it, charging it while I'm using it, I guess. So we're going to go ahead and measure this out again. And look at that, 6 right on the bot. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and do it again. 6 again. All right. And 6 again. Okay, so I'm glad to say it's 6 millimeters. With that, like I said, this caliper is pretty freaking nice. I mean, it goes, something about this origin here. It measures 0 when it's all the way down, so you don't have to worry about it. But look at that, that is sweet. I guess you could tighten it up right here. Maybe that was my problem. Yeah, I didn't have it tight enough. So let's go ahead and do some more measuring here since I have it out. Yeah, see, there it goes. 0, 6 millimeters exactly. We put it to 0. 6 again. Okay, so that's how you use the, what is that called? The what? IGaGing. Yeah, the IGaGing calipers here, digital calipers. Now let's put it in inches. We're going to switch it over to the inch button. See what she looks like right here on the inch. 0.236 inches. Okay. 0.236 inches. Okay, let's write that down. In inches, it's 0.236 inches. Okay. Now we're going to do the actual inches. Let's put it back to 0. Now we got to bring this all the way out. I want to see how many inches this is here. Okay. Whew. There it is. 3.86 inches. Okay, let's measure this again. Let's go back to 0. Bring it out to 3 point. Okay, let's do it this way. Yep, 3.86 inches. 3.86 inches. That's awesome. And we'll set it right back to 0. I'm really pleased with this. I mean, I really do like it. This is the first one that actually worked for me, which is sweet. Now, since it's out of the bag, it'll fit in this better. This is great. Alright guys, so that's what I'm going to do. That's one of my projects that I'm stocking up on my last video. I wanted to pull this out to see exactly the size of this so I could get some rods and make my own. So that is sweet. Alrighty guys, well, I hope you liked this video. Like I said, it's a kind of a short one. So, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later.